from FX Empire. This is Chris taking a look at the pound yen, and you can see that it's been interesting. We continue to drift lower in this market, perhaps in a sign of just risk off, risk aversion in general. The pound yen, of course, is susceptible to risk appetite, or in this case, the lack of. It's also susceptible to a lot of noise coming out of the Brexit. Headlines will move it in both directions, as you can see. Clearly, this is a market that I think continues to struggle overall. I do believe that eventually we will probably see 145 tested, but clearly it's an area that is heavily defended. If we break down through there, that really starts to unwind this pair. I think larger funds from my conversations have been picking up the British pound in little bits and pieces to try to build a longer term position. But having said that, it looks as if we are in a scenario where you're going to have to do it very slowly if that's your attitude. It is historically cheap, but there are a lot of things going on right now that continue to influence this market, and therefore it is erratic. We can and will go lower based upon overall risk appetite. This doesn't necessarily have to do with the Brexit. Markets in general are selling off pretty drastically during the day. Anything risk related, and that, of course, punishes this market. So I think the path of least resistance in the short term, again, is probably this line here at 145.